Hello and welcome to Wild Things. I'm Emma and this is the takeaway activities. Now I want to introduce to you a book that I absolutely love. This book is called The Lost Words and it's written by Robert McFarlane and illustrated by Jackie Morris. Now this book came about because Robert and Jackie realised that there were some words that were starting to be deleted out of the English dictionary, the Children's Oxford English Dictionary. So they were putting in new words like broadband, but they were taking out a lot of the nature-based words. So they put them in this book because they class them as the lost words. So they're no longer lost. So I'm going to share with you one of the poems this morning. Okay, so the poem I've chosen to start with is all about this bird. Now, can you tell? Well, let me hide that and you might have an idea. Can you tell what type of bird this is? It's quite a big bird. It's much bigger than your robins and your blue tits. And it's got beautiful black feathers and blue feathers and white. So it's quite a distinctive bird. Okay, so have you guessed what it is? Yeah, it's a magpie. Okay, so I'm going to read this to you and I want you to think if this describes a magpie really well. Magpie manifesto, angry every toss, gossip, bicker, yak and snigger all day long, pick a fight in an empty room, interrupt, interject, intercept, intervene. Every magpie for every magpie against every other walking, flying, swimming, creeping creature on the earth. Now I think that sums magpies up quite well, because if you listen to their song, it does sound quite angry. Okay, so I'm going to have my binoculars here. I'm going to see if I can see a magpie. At the moment, I'm just looking up in the trees, looking for those black and white feathers, often on the rooftops and the chimneys. Can't see one at the moment. Let me see if I can hear one. Their angry calls, their chatter. It's all like having a fight with another bird, an argument. Now, I've got a website here that would be really good for you to have a look at. It's the RSPB website, and on here you can find what a magpie song sounds like. Shall we have a little play? And you hear it chattering and bickering as if it's having a big argument with another bird. Now, another website that's really good is SherpaMatic. Now, this is an app that you can download onto maybe your parents' phone if you ask permission, and it's a free app. And what you can do, you can go around your garden or on your daily walk and you can record the birds that you hear, and it helps to identify them. So it helps to pick up on what the bird song is and help you identify them. And that way you might be able to go on your daily walks and actually recognise when there is a robin nearby or when there is a blue tit calling. Okay, so have a go. See if you can first of all spot a magpie. Look out for a big magnificent bird with those beautiful blue and black feathers and white feathers, and then see if you can hear their song. It sounds a bit angrier than some of the song thrush. Have a go with the website that I've mentioned, this app I mean, and let me know what you find out, what birds you can hear.